Hi everybody, welcome to the Shire of Capel Libraries Lego sessions once again. Great to see you again. This week's challenge is going to be, can you guess? Let's make crazy faces. Yes, crazy faces. I got the idea from this picture here, which was a really crazy face. So I thought, I could probably do that, and I think you could too. So, finding all sorts of crazy pieces in your Lego box. Make a crazy face. 2 eyes, 1 eye, it doesn't matter. Look at this cute one. Maybe you could make a puppet show for your family. Now that would be a great idea. Maybe you could film it, post a video up on our comments section on our Facebook page. So you could make puppet show, crazy faces, scare your brothers and sisters, scare your dad even. Or I even made a face out of cardboard. How simple is that? Really good fun. So, crazy faces everybody. That's this week's challenge. So get to it and let's go Lego. Bye everybody.